Good morning students. Hope you all safe at home. Students, I welcome you again in class 7th grade and the name of the subject is computer. Today we are going to start our remaining part of our chapter, that is the binary number system. So today we are going to start our one topic from your chapter, that is the computer arithmetic. Student, a computer understands only binary language, that the data given by the user is converted into binary language for processing, and this processing may involve various kind of arithmetic operations. So there are various arithmetic operations in the computer like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here I can use the word arithmetic. Basically arithmetic is related with the mathematical calculations. So today we are going to start our topic computer arithmetic. There are 4 components and 4 types of its computer arithmetic, and today we can discuss all these topics one by one. So let's start with our one component or a one computer arithmetic is the addition. So first is our binary addition. This technique is used to add binary numbers inside the computer. It is very easy and a simple method. With this method we can perform in the same way as you perform a addition with the decimal number in your mathematical calculations. So for a binary addition we should follow some rules and do a addition that is on the basis of a 0 and 1. Why? Because computer understands binary digit that is 0 and 1. So there is some rule to solve this process. Here I can take A plus B is equal to C, and this is the column of carry. So here I can write 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, and here carry is also 0. Next rule is the 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and carries is 0. Our third one is the 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and here our carries is also 0. And now come to the fourth rule, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Students, why should write I here 0? Because actually 1 plus 1 is equal to, but I should write it here is 0 because in the binary number it uses only 2-digit number, that is the 0 and 1. So how should I write a 2 here? So I should write a 0 here and carries a 1 here. So this is a very important rule that you must be kept in mind, that 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, not is equal to 2. So students, here I can take an example related with the binary addition. So here I can take numbers that 111 plus 10. How we can solve it? We can solve it with the following the rules. Here 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, 1 plus 1 0, but there is a carry that is 1, so we have to keep carry here. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, and according to the rule 1 plus 1 0, but here there is a 1 carry that is 1. So there is a no digit, so we should keep the carry down. So this is our answer. So with the help of this method we can solve our additional arithmetic calculation in a binary number system. Now here I can take another example, that how we can calculate 1100 plus 101. How we can calculate it? That 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, carry 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, carry 0, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and carry is the 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and carry is the 1. So here there is a no digit, so we can put the carry downwards. So this is the answer. So this is the way that how we can calculate the binary addition arithmetic in a binary number system. Now student, here I can take a second arithmetic, that is the subtraction arithmetic number system. Here I can take the same rule that how we can calculate the subtraction, same like an addition method. Here I can take that in the first 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. So if we want to calculate the subtraction sum, we have to follow this rule. Now dear students, this is the third arithmetic, that is the multiplication. Same like addition and subtraction, we should also follow the rule for calculate the multiplication. So this is the rule. If we can multiply by 0, the answer is the 0. In the second, 0 ones are 0. In the third step, 1 zeros, the answer is the same, 0. And in the fourth step, if we can multiply 1 by 1, the answer is the 1. So we should always remember these rules to solve the multiplication in the binary number system.